This is a recording Christopher Gomez generated using a standard AI voice US English reader. This recording is for the class on the history of science. The 19th century, science, industry, and empire. The 19th century was a period of rapid scientific and technological progress, characterized by major advances in fields such as biology, chemistry, physics, and medicine. This progress was closely tied to the growth of industry and the expansion of European empires, which provided new resources and opportunities for scientific research and development. One of the most significant scientific developments of the 19th century was the theory of evolution by natural selection, proposed by Charles Darwin in his book On the Origin of Species. Darwin's theory challenged traditional religious and philosophical beliefs about the origins of life and the relationship between humans and other animals, and it had a profound impact on the study of biology and other fields. Other major scientific advances of the 19th century included the discovery of the periodic table of elements by Dmitry Mendeleev, the development of the germ theory of disease by Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch, and the formulation of the laws of thermodynamics by Rudolf Clausius and Lord Kelvin. In physics, the work of James Clerk Maxwell and others led to the development of the electromagnetic theory of light and the discovery of radio waves. The relationship between science, industry, and empire in the 19th century was complex and often problematic. On the one hand, the growth of industry and the expansion of European empires provided new resources and opportunities for scientific research and development. Many scientists received funding and support from industrial and imperial patrons, and their work was often driven by the needs and interests of these sponsors. On the other hand, the close relationship between science, industry, and empire also had negative consequences. Scientific theories and technologies were sometimes used to justify colonial expansion and exploitation, and the benefits of scientific progress were often distributed unequally, with the majority of the world's population excluded from its benefits. The social and cultural impact of scientific progress in the 19th century was also significant. The rapid pace of scientific and technological change led to new ways of understanding the world and new forms of social and cultural organization. At the same time, the increasing specialization and professionalization of science led to the emergence of new social and cultural identities, such as the scientist and the engineer. However, the 19th century also saw the darker aspects of science, such as the use of scientific theories to justify racism and eugenics. These ideas had a profound impact on social and political thought and policy, and they continue to have lasting consequences to this day. Despite these challenges, the scientific progress of the 19th century laid the foundation for many of the most important scientific and technological developments of the 20th and 21st centuries. From the development of modern medicine to the exploration of space, the legacy of 19th century science continues to shape our world in countless ways.